जुलाई दालनि पयला सालमारिबो त्रिपुरा एसेम्बली songchamani field dokchitham sal paliajakha haini bagai tongthothoke panda songjajakha o salo Thwi rimani tangbotangni bisingtwi Padmasri Shokat Iafarjaknai Noresh Chandra Debor Manobo Khakaham Iafarjakha Pandawo Manjakha Hastini Hastrefa Indro Seni Reddy Nalu Te Speaker Rampodo Jamatia Kebengnai Bodolokni Ojama Jitendra Chaudhary Khoboi Montri MLR Srangshalo Tripura Assembly songchamani field dokchitham shalo Assembly biskango kaisa naithothok tongthothok khlai panda songjajakha o shalno muitu khlai Thwi rimung panda bo luwaji jakha ababai baksano hastini kokchina kereng kok rubai kereng Padmasri Shokat Mannai Noresh Chandra Debor Mano Khakaham Iafarjakha Pandawo Narwai Okra Angai Manjakha Hastefa Indrasena Reddy Nalu Abono Kari Tongkha Assembly ni Speaker Rampodo Jamatia Kebengnai Bodolokni Ojama Jitendra Chaudhary Montri Ratanlal Nath MLA Sudip Rai Bormon Khobai juda juda thongrong bodolni lokubai chongjak adong rok sinai nuknai rok tai Assembly wo sebok khlainai rok Pandawo Tripura hastini Assembly ni jora kolok ni lokufani laibuma khaja kerongni morokma tai loku hamkraini bagai Assembly tamo samung tang shawik narika hastefa
development, particularly for our indigenous communities. I am hopeful that the members of this House from both the Treasury and opposition benches will continue to work together to build upon these achievements. Friends, as we celebrate the 63rd Foundation Day of this great institution, let us remember that the true strength of our democracy lies not in the absence of differences, but in the ability to resolve them through dialogue and debate. Let us remember that we are here not for ourselves, but for the people who have responded their faith in us. Let the compassion that fills your
Songchamani salni luwajibung belai naithothok lukufani sichamung lukuchubamungni gosimano tebo kuthuk khlainani kok jarmano horeitya nahinai hastefa kha khlaimano shawik narika Bureau Report News